Good day mga bossing! Meron tayo ngayong 6 units of Ryzen 3 3200G for client and plus 1 server Ryzen 5 5600G order sa atin ng ating client from Teresa Rizal para sa kanyang computer shop business. At diskless ito mga bossing. Ang processor niya is Ryzen 5 5600G for server at ang motherboard is MSI B450M-A Pro Max and 16GB dual 8GB HyperX PureBeast 3200 frequency. At ang storage niya is 2 pieces 240GB SSD for OS and for the image and 512GB SSD for game disk. And for the client processor, AMD Ryzen 3 3200G at ang motherboard BioStar B450M and 8GB HyperX PureBeast single stick. And sa PC case for the client natin is YGT M7 mesh type with 3 pieces pros 120mm RGB fan. And power supply natin for the client is 800 watts KTEC power supply. And for the server is KTEC 650 watts 80 plus bronze power supply. At sa mga gustong magtayo ng computer shop business dyan, comment lang kayo below or visit nyo kami sa aming physical store dito sa Gilmore, Action PC Laptop Enterprises Corporation. Comment ko sa baba ang aming location. Ito na ang PC case na setup natin for the server. 4 pieces pros RGB 120mm fan, mesh type sa front, tempered glass sa side, ventilation ang kanyang airflow. And sa client naman, white PC case design. At meron ding 3 pieces pros RGB 120mm fan. Kung nagugustuhan mo ang mga PC build vlog, huwag kalimutang i-follow, like, and share para lagi kayong updated sa mga next video natin. Salamat!